In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1password on an iPhone. Whether you're new to 1password or just need a refresher, this guide will get you set up and going in no time. First things first, you'll need to download the app. Open up your web browser and head over to the 1password website. Once you're there, navigate to the downloads page. You're looking for the version compatible with iOS, so keep your eyes peeled for the iOS option. Once you see it, click on the iOS tab. This will direct you to the download page specifically for iPhone users. The next step is straightforward. Click on Download 1password for iOS. This will begin the app download process on your iPhone. While the app is downloading, let's talk a bit about what 1password is. It's a powerful tool designed to keep your online account secure by managing your passwords for you. Instead of remembering dozens of unique and complex passwords, 1password stores them securely and helps you fill them in when you need them, making your life much simpler and safer. Once the app is installed, open it up. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to create a 1password account, which includes setting up a master password. This master password is the key to all your other passwords stored within the app, so make sure it's something memorable yet complex. After setting it up, you'll be guided through the initial setup process. If you already have a 1password account, simply enter your account details to get started. The app may request permission to send you notifications, which is a good thing to enable, so you can stay informed about security alerts or sync updates. Now that you're inside the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find that it's organized into several categories like logins, secure notes, and bank accounts, making it easy to store different kinds of information securely. As a feature-rich app, 1password allows you to add new entries easily. To do this, tap the plus sign and choose what type of data you want to store. Enter the details and then save them. The next time you visit that website or app, 1password can autofill these details for you, saving you time and effort. Before we wrap up, remember to keep your master password private and never share it with anyone. It's your first line of defense in keeping your information secure. That's all there is to it. With 1password on your iPhone, you've got robust security and convenience right at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials.